Guys, Mario here. We're back with part 4 of the Nissan Titan window install. This is the last video of the series, and we're going to be making a drain system for the Titan window. Now, if you watch part 3, part 2, I think, we found out that water was leaking through the sides of this railing, and it was getting the floor wet. And yesterday it rained pretty hard, and yeah, the floor was really wet. And if we let that happen again during the summer, it'll be really moldy and humid in here. So what we're gonna be doing is making a kind of like a housing for the window and little area. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, first thing we'll be doing is making like a box for it. So it's gonna be like a square, you know, go in that way and kind of cover it all in. So we gotta measure how tall we want it, how long we want it, and all that good stuff. So first I'm gonna get my tape measure and see the height of the okay. I'm getting about 26 and a half, 26 and a quarter maybe at the most. Yeah, I'm gonna make it 26 and a quarter for both sides, and then lengthwise it's gonna be, you know, as long as the window is. So that would be, let me see what we're here. Around 30 inches and a quarter as well. So yeah, 30 inches by 20, whatever I said. So yeah, let's get to it. Work area, and so this is what all you're gonna need. You're gonna need silicone, cutting wheels, caulk gun, some corner brackets, because we don't have a welding machine. If you do have one, then use it. And more corner brackets and an angle grinder, of course. Okay, so I'm trying to finish this video as fast as possible. So for my first bracket, the one that's going to be making the main box, that I came up with 3.5 depth-wise, I guess, which would be, you know, length. And my height is 26 and a quarter. So I have like these old shelving that I'm going to cut and use. So I went ahead and made the measurements on it. So now cut it and then we'll proceed. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engage and use on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Both corner pieces cut out for the box. Now they're a little sloppy, but we got silicone to fix our problems. So how they're gonna go? Dang. Alright, so how they're gonna go is, here's the bracket. It's gonna slide into there like so. Okay, you get the vision, It's gonna sit like that. We're gonna silicone all this up, whatever hole we find. And the other bracket's gonna go on this side. We got a lot of wires on the way. Okay, something like that. And then we're gonna get a big old cover for this, and yeah, it's gonna cover it all up. So yeah, that's what we're aiming for. So yeah, let's get to cutting the big one, the main one, and then we'll almost be done. So, you know, long ways. I got lengthwise 30.5. Now height, it was supposed to be 36. The same as, you know, these little short ones. But my shelving piece is only, what, 23 3/4 or something like that. And, which is fine. It doesn't need to be covered all the way up, you know. You can, if you have access to a full piece that'll cover the whole thing up, make it look nice, and that's good for you, but this is what I have to work with, so we're gonna make do with what we have. So yeah, like I said, 30.5 for lengthwise. Height is supposed to be 36, but however tall this is, it will be okay. So yeah, let's get to cutting. So I have all 3 pieces cut out. Now this is something what I'm picturing. You know, this is what it's gonna look like when it's all done, but you know, all nice looking and with wires not everywhere. So yeah, y'all get the concept. I'm gonna silicone all around this, and it still has room for everything to function. So yeah, it's pretty much like a little housing for it, because water leaks through right here and across this whole thing. So then we're gonna make some drain channels for everything, and hopefully get it to stop leaking. So yeah, right now I'm about to put these together with some L brackets and some silicone. So yeah, I'll update y'all as I do it. So I have the first corner bracket mounted, pretty solid, with little L brackets from Walmart. One up top, one at the bottom for now, just to get an idea of how it's gonna look. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of silicone. I might use spray foam as well to cover it up faster. Yes, silicone and spray foam, that's probably what I'm gonna use. So yeah, I'm gonna get that side done and then work on the bottom holes. Alright guys, so I was thinking about everything I had to do in the process of putting everything back together, and I forgot about this trim piece. So I put it up against it and it was like too tall, so I had to cut it shorter. So yeah, make sure you put the trim piece on and then get your new measurement for the height of the thing. I mean, it doesn't matter because it's gonna be leaking right there where it ends, where the metal bracket ends for the window. That's where it leaks, so you still have like 3 inches right here, or 2 inches to work with. I also had to cut the middle one down too, to you know, to make sure it was even with the side brackets, or else it would have been too tall. So yeah, I'll let y'all know the measurements here in a second. My camera was dead, so I went back and looked at the footage where we left off, and I was going to tell y'all the new heights for the brackets, or for all the sides. So your new dimensions are, the tallness is 22.5 or something like that for both sides. That's for both sides. And I also cut this down to meet the same size as these, so we should be good over there. 22. This one's 22, 22, 22 height. And your new width, I think it should be the same. I think I cut it down just a little bit. Yeah, 29 3/4. So that's your new heights. And I went ahead and mounted these all together, so it's pretty sturdy right here. So now what we're about to do is apply some silicone and seal the seams all the way around. So got my tube of silicone over there and got my caulking gun over there. So let's get the sealing up. Update, I applied silicone around the edge and I made some holes right here, a couple of them. Now let's say this doesn't work out well and I already have the barrier piece up, where you can actually crawl underneath the truck and you can access this area right here to cut more holes or, you know, do what you gotta do. I don't know if this is the best way, but I don't know. We're experimenting right now, so this is the best I could come up with. So I made holes on that side too, and we'll see how it does. So yeah, right now I'm about to put the housing on and silicone the sides. So yeah, let's do that. So I have it siliconed in, and it's very thick silicone. I applied a lot of it because I don't want to take any chances. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the silicone to dry and then we'll test it. So I think it turned out pretty good if this works, and if it don't, then we'll keep trying until we get it right. But I'm pretty sure this is it. But yeah, it's pretty thick silicone bead. And don't forget to run your wire for the motor over there on the other side. So yeah, we'll see in the next clip. Alright guys, we're back again. It's been about a couple of weeks now since the last time I took a video or whatever, recorded the last scene. And reasons why I haven't uploaded the video is, one, because I moved into a new house. Reason number two, the weather's been horrible. And number three, guys, don't get cheap silicone. I'm not a silicone expert, so I just went with the cheapest silicone I could find, and that turned out to be a big mistake. This Alex Plus is not ideal for this project. I shouldn't use it at all. So it turns out it takes, let me see. Check this out. Right there, in the very dead center. 7 to 14 days to dry up. Yeah, so that's another reason why it took me so long waiting for the silicone to dry, which, yeah, big mistake. Not using this one ever again. Hopefully you guys don't either. So yeah, it's all dried up. Wires are in. Now you can see at the bottom right here of mine, there's like rust looking stuff. It's because I forgot to paint the bottom base of the plate here, so it rusted a little bit. So I'll fix it on later down the road. I'm not too worried about it. As long as water don't get on the other side, we're good. Anyways, I have a pump-up sprayer. So we're gonna spray it on here and seal the water and dump it on there like that. That's a lot, by the way. So yeah, let's go check out the inside. Oh, okay. So we're looking around for water. I don't see any, and none over here. I don't see any. So now I'm gonna roll the window down and try to get y'all. Wait, never mind. I can probably through here with the camera. Let me turn the light on. You can see the water dripping right here from the channel, and it's falling into the hose. Let's see what else we got. I don't see any water along the middle, and there's your other drip. Right there. The water's just falling into the drain holes. So yeah, it wasn't much water getting in there, but if you drill your hose correctly, you'll have good drainage. No, there we go. And let's go check the bottom of the truck. There's all the water right there. Some of it's from the truck, but most of it is from the drain system. So it's still dripping there. You see it? Drip. So that lets us know it's working. I feel like I need a little bit more holes, so that's what I'm gonna do when I get the time. So yeah, guys, that's about it. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. Message me. I will try to reply as fast as possible. So yeah, that's it for the series of the Nissan tank window install. And so thank you all for watching, taking the time. I'll be doing more videos because this is our project truck. We're gonna be doing a lot to it, dropping it, all that stuff. Interior, just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna put it back together and whatnot, fix all this wiring. And yeah, thanks to all the new subscribers that I've gained. Gonna try to bring you better content, but like shorter videos, because I can't stand these 40-minute videos no more. So yeah, guys, thank y'all.